should get some video of this. Oh god.
How's your ankle, buddy?
Terrible.
Yeah, I know, but it's going on Facebook and everyone's going to love it.
Oh, I'm sure they will. Oh god.
Do that again. Oh man, this is just fantastic.
You're not posting this, are you?
Oh, I am.
Oh god.
I want to get one of those old horns that we used to put on kids' bikes. Put it on the end of that. You can walk out with it.
John, I think you should go kick him again. Harder. You have a round. I like that you're wearing that hat too. Just makes everything so much better.
I'm good, man. Since you know that. I'd expect to say about those driving. Later, taking pictures.
Yep.
Video.
I'll have to the end of this one. You know, I did the same thing with one of my buddies.
I agree. That's not in the appropriate parking spot.
I'll take it. I'll plug it in.
We'd like to watch him squirm.
You want to watch him?
Yeah.
We'll let him do it then.